I always forget to unmute myself. What's going on, man? That's all right, man. It's okay. I know what I'm doing. I'm a sound engineer. All right, I got it. What's going on, guys? How's your Saturday? Oh, man. Rewind. What's going on, everybody? I like it, man. I know Panda is live right now. Let me know if you can hear the 3D printer in the back, if it's too loud. I don't know what I can do about it. I'm in the middle of a print. It's man, that's been a challenge itself, man, trying to learn how to do this, man. It is, the bed leveling is super awful. I dislike it a lot. I know everybody's probably watching Panda right now, so I know Panda's still live. I was trying to time it. Can't hear it. Oh, can't hear it. Oh, can't hear the. Oh, yeah. Can't hear the yeah, okay. Nice. So I was gonna trade on Coinbase today, but they have maintenance right now, I think. Let me see if it's still going on. It was supposed to be like so long of maintenance, it might be over. Yeah, so it says that there's a connection issue. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to I don't know if I'm gonna be able to to buy anything right now. I might have to do something maybe like on Zelcore. Yeah, it's not giving me any options to buy anything. Yeah, it's still under maintenance. So might have to do Zelcore today. So hopefully we're gonna have to find a coin that's like in Zelcore that's also on Coinbase, which is probably gonna be challenging. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Usually Penn is like usually after an hour, he's usually like kind of off. So I timed it an hour away from his. So it's all good, man. It's all right. I'm just staying on my. I usually stream the same time that he does right now, so I guess I'll start doing the 3 p.m. I guess well, 2 p.m. I don't even know what time it is right now. I've just been doing a lot of work and stuff, so it's all good. Thanks for tuning in, Fudweiser, UK miners, solar miner in Maine, blow up. What's that? Blow up the cron. Power Minds, Patrick Guyan. What's going on, everybody? We could still go to Coinbase. So let me move the StreamYard over here. And then let me get the Coinbase up here. So let's see here. Boom. Share a screen. Screen one. There we go. Wow, why is that not working? There you go. That was weird. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, guys, I know I'm not trying to shill Dave, but man, the veteran miner here, he's a really good dude. Makes good cables. You guys need anything? I got the cables for my mini ASICs, which is the 6-pin to 6-pin. So good stuff, guys. If you guys ever need them, I've given quite a few of these away. So good quality cables. All right, back to Coinbase. And as you can see, we're under some kind of scheduled maintenance, which I don't know why you would put maintenance in the middle of the day on a weekend. I don't know why. Why wouldn't you do it like at night or something? So that's really weird. I don't know why you would be doing that. So that's kind of weird to me. What's going on, Power Minds? So let's check out the assets here and see what they've been doing over between last week and this week. You know, I know the market's been down, so it's not been looking good. Looks like the SHIB is down. It's down like $20, and the Matic is down $8. The render token's down $7, and the Algorand is down 11. So, I mean, so far collectively, I'm in the whole 18, 29, 36. Like I'm in the hole like $42. I'm almost in the hole right now for 1 week's worth of money I've put into this thing. So it's we're on the right track. We're on the right track. So, yo, what's going on, DJ? How you doing, buddy? Got DJ Minds in the house here, Mister Financial Advisor. What's going on, man? Everything's down. So yeah, I'm not gonna be able to trade on Coinbase because they have a maintenance, so we're gonna have to try to find coins that are on Coinbase and my Zelcore. So hopefully they got some stuff that commingles. I mean, if it's on the Ethereum chain, they definitely have it. I know that. I don't know how many of these other coins are on there. So yeah. Man, a lot of red here. Lots of red. Not a lot of movement right now in the market. Might be a good time to buy though. Prices are down, right? Might be a good time to buy, but then again, so far, I don't have any earners right now, right? Everything's down. So let me get my Zelcore up here, and I'm probably going to have to use the exchange inside of here in Zelcore. And if you guys have ever used that, the quick swap, you guys could just go in here and just like type the coin that you're going to use. Like I'm probably going to use my Litecoin. Litecoin's pretty fast and cheap to move. And then they have, you know, you can just search your coin if you wanted to do. I don't know if they even do. They don't even do Algorand in here. I don't think they do render. I don't believe that's render. So they have some tokens in here, but it does not look like they have everything. So it's going to be limited. Oh, look, they got Polkadot though. I mean, yeah, you know, they got a couple things. Ethereum Classic, Ethereum, Furo. I'm not trying to sign up for another exchange. That's definitely not what I'm trying to do. So, wow, they don't really have a whole lot of coins here in this quick swap. They got some. Definitely going to be limited. So, man, I don't even know where to start. Has anybody been looking at some coins that they've been thinking about getting into? Mining King, have you claimed? Yes, I have. Here you go. Go back to my portfolio. You can see my Flux Algo right here. 39. I got like 39 to 44 Flux across all of my parallel assets. So got a nice little bump up in my Flux. I'm up to 14,184 Flux. So pretty good. A lot of my GPU stuff's been off because of stuff over at Terra, you know, being on for customers and things like that. So haven't mined Flux for, you know, probably almost 2 months now. So the Flux mining has been slowed down a little bit. So they have Algorand here, but whatever this exchange is, I don't know, like, so you would have to connect these with outside accounts, or so yeah, that's going to be really limiting in what we do here. Or I could go, I could do Trade Ogre. I know, but there's not a lot of these other coins are on Trade Ogre. So what's up, Automatic Beats? Yeah, so to claim your parallel assets, you need to go into your apps, to your Fusion, and then click here, right here, these 3 dots right here, hover over them, parallel mining claim. And then you could also do a snapshot claim, or you do Fusion swap. So those are just my parallel asset claims. I need to do my snapshot. I just haven't done it yet today. I've been working on other stuff, so you do it all here in Fusion though. See this? You just come over here to Fusion, and then when you're at this little page here, you just hover over the 3 dots, and then you can see all these right here. So I'm not going to get too much into parallel asset stuff because this is technically like a trading, you know what I mean? A trading thing here. We're not talking about just Flux here today, but How much have I lost so far? Okay, for everybody tuning in, I know people Panda was streaming. I don't know if he's still streaming. I have lost collectively. I've lost $42, so almost a whole week's worth of putting money into this program. I'm already down. So it's going great. It's going great so far. So far, we've only lost money, so it's nothing new to me. But we're still alive. Let's see here. So yeah, everything's down. It looks like this amp went up 4%, but I don't know what that coin is. Let's see here. Getting a little bit of a cold, so hopefully this doesn't drag into next week. 95% buy. Wow. The volume's down though about 14%. Turn my light on here. You guys can see me here. Holy smokes, that. Oh. So, what do you guys got? Yeah, YouTube's always sick. Y'all need vitamins. Yeah, that's true. Just bought my first 4K camera other than my phone. Oh, nice, Goat. I just got my A6000. I am looking to get a better camera though. This camera is I don't really like it, but then again, I don't know how to tune a camera right for recording, man. I've tried it. I've watched tons of videos and I still just don't like it all the way. So I'm not really good at that. So yeah, I'm not good at like tuning the cameras or the microphones. That's not my strong suit. I'm not good at it. You know, I've had a couple people give me some pointers, but I would love someone to help me kind of maybe mess with my thing because my camera gets smoking hot, and this is not a 4K camera. This is just a Sony A6000. It's a Sony A6000. It's the first generation, and if you ask me what settings are on it, I honestly couldn't remember anymore. I'd have to like actually go to the camera and turn it around and go look to see what I have it set to. Automatic beats. Oh man, what's going on, everybody? Thank you for the raid from Panda, man. Thanks, Rondi. What's going on, everybody? So for everybody just coming in, so far I have lost money. That's all I've done so far. I've lost money. The biggest loser is the SHIB. SHIB is the biggest loser of the bunch. Down. Oh, it changed. It was $17. Now it's $18. We're gonna have to do trading on Zelcore or Trade Ogre, but Trade Ogre doesn't really. A lot of the coins that are on Coinbase aren't on Trade Ogre, so it's gonna be kind of hard. So it's gonna be a little limited here. Coinbase is having some kind of maintenance, like all day between 8 to 4 is what they said their maintenance was. It was supposed to be for about 8 hours, which is weird. Which is why would you do that during the day? I don't know why. So, are you a millionaire? Yeah. Puts I'm a millionaire, man. I got a G6. I got the private jet. Gigavolt trades. I also have a ZV1. Careful with it overheating if you record at 4K. Yeah, so I had a similar problem with my GoPro that I actually gave to Max's wife, Sunflower Mama. It would do 1080 fine, but if you put it in 4K for more than like 30 minutes, it would just get on fire hot. Now this camera here, I don't think there is a 4K option in the first Sony A6000. And like if I touched it right now, it's probably getting pretty hot. So there's been times when I've been recording like out in my garage or something like that, and it'll turn off, and then I have to wait for it. It's just I'm just getting tired of it, man. I just want a camera to just work. and I don't want to have any problems with it. How about swapping a little flux for Kadena? Oh, yeah, man. Let's go check out Kadena, guys. Let's go check out Kadena. Yeah, I mean, I don't mind it. I don't really know a lot Kadena. Let's see here. Kadena. Let's look at here. Can I can't. Am I in simple mode? Hold on. Yeah, here you go. There we go. Now we can see the candlesticks. Thank you, Mr. RPM, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. And we can't find the asset. You can't trade into Kadena? What? Is Kadena not supported on Coinbase? I don't know. Let's see here. Let's look at the 1 month. It's been about $1, right? $1.24. It looks like it peaked up here to $1.38, and now it's down right at the dollar mark. So it's fallen quite a bit. It's down almost 20%. Whoa, look at that trading volume though. Oh my god. It is down 50% in their trade volume. So it is down big time. Yeah, I did in the but it won't let me go to advanced, which is where you can see the candlesticks, right? Because see, they got this weird maintenance stupid stuff going on. So, and I have it in all markets, right? It's on all markets, and it won't let me pick Kadena. So, which is weird. Oh, Boost says Kadena's on Binance. I'm not on Binance. I am in Trading View. But look, if you're in advanced to see the candlesticks, because they're simple and advanced, and then look, if you click here, all markets, if I put Kadena, there's nothing. Like, I don't think you could do Kadena on here. So, I could get Kadena though, because I have it in my. I could get it in Zelcore, right? I can get that in Zelcore. I don't see. Look, KDA right here. Here you go. I wonder if you could exchange for it though. Can I exchange it? Can I exchange like Litecoin for it? Because I got some extra Litecoin I got just hanging around here. And can we get Kadena? Oh man, that's no, but this is how I know we could get Kadena though. We could do this though. I don't know if you guys know about this site though, but you could do this. I wonder if we could do it here. We could probably use Litecoin. Wait for it to load and then into Kadena. Is it supported? Oh, legit. There you go. Let's see here. How much Litecoin do I have? I don't even know what the value of Litecoin is right now. I have 2 Litecoin, so it's about $90. So half a Litecoin, about 0.6 would be about $50 worth. So if you did this, how much? It would get you about 50 Kadena. I don't even know what Kadena's at right now. Show zero balance here. Details. Oh, that's yeah. It's about $1. Okay. Look, so Annan says Litecoin over Kadena. Panda, I haven't been mining it for like 2 months, man, because my GPU's been off. So otherwise, I'd have much more. So pretty sad. Pretty sad. Okay, so we'll do Kadena as a coin because can I put that on Coinbase though? This is gonna get weird because I'm gonna have all these coins everywhere. Unless you could put it in there. I have a coin in the Coinbase wallet, which is that bone coin, which, you know, I don't know how well that's gonna do, but so if I'm in simple, oh, not supported on Coinbase. I don't know. We could do stuff in Zelcore too, I guess. I'm just gonna have to keep track of everything. That's so weird that Kadena is not supported in Coinbase, man. It's a pretty big coin. You need a spreadsheet of your wallets. Oh man, I got wallets everywhere, dude. I got VMs. I got everything everywhere, man. I just go all over the place. Yeah, yeah, yeah. About what, Fusion? Check Fusion and Zelcore. No, yeah. Oh, Fusion. What, to use the Fusion? But that's what, oh, hold on. Nope, go here. Yeah. Oh, right, but you're gonna have to use Flux for Fusion. I'm not sacrificing my Flux. This is to move across this and to move across into the cross change. Uh, yeah, I know, but look at the. Okay, there's a particular coin that I told Panda not to mention, and I'm not going to say its name, but said coin does not have, is not in here. They became a FluxLab partner, but their wallet is not in here yet, right? So I'm kind of like you, Geek of All Trades, where if it's not an easy wallet, I don't want to mine it. But the bad thing is if you want to get early in on a lot of these projects, most of the time they're not going to have an easy wallet. It's going to be one of those awful core wallets that's just doo doo, and it's just kind of what you have to what you have to deal with, really. Yeah, I know. Yeah. So yeah, when you're using Fusion, it's about moving Flux into the Flux, the cross chains here. That's what Fusion's for. So yeah, no Fusion for me. I'm not moving my Flux. Stays exactly where it's at. Uh man. Yeah, yes, man, I've had numerous, so far the core wallets that have given me problems is Raven Coin, which before I was mining Flux, I wish I knew about it, was in Zelcore. So I wouldn't mind, mining Raven Coin again, but the hash rate's too high right now. And then my latest one is I'm having issues with the KDX for Caspa for their core wallets. It's not syncing up for some weird freaking reason. It's pissing me off. So yeah, I don't like the core wallet. I understand why projects use it, um, because it's easy to deploy and it's been around forever. But as far as like ease of use and stuff like that, and to the end person like myself, it's a piece of crap. Uniswap. Yeah, Uniswap is on here. It's here. I know Uniswap is on here. I'm pretty sure Uni's on here. Let's go to it. Can we do it? Is it in the advanced section? Which I don't know why you can only see certain coins. Yeah. Yeah, Uniswap's in here. So Uniswap is, let's look at it here. Wow, this is so like look, you could see, look, here's a support. It's added a support here. It's down into support here, 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 it's like it's riding this fine line right now, and it's like going, and then right here, I would say, it's hitting this resistance mark because you could see it, you know, here, here, there, over here, over here. It's been riding. It's been going really, I would say, sideways. So it might be a good time to buy right now because it's down at a support level. So maybe it could go back up. So what's it at right now? $6. Okay. Let's see here. So okay, we could do Kadena or Uniswap. I'm really not into DeFi. I don't understand DeFi. I'd have to have people like explain to me how DeFi works and all that stuff. Definitely not certain. It can't be financial services. So far, I've only lost money, so I don't know why you would call me a financial services. If you like losing money, follow what I'm doing. Yeah, Seb, they do have a web wallet. Yeah, yeah, I know. The problem is though, is I need to get the other wallet to work, so that way I could move the funds out. But I guess I could just use my seed phrase and then just recover it there. But that requires a lot of work. Gig of all trades. It's not called losing money. It's called tax loss harvesting. All right, Goat. I am very good at tax loss harvesting. I'm very good at that. I'm an expert at tax loss harvesting. All right, I'm an expert at it. So, all right, Uniswap and Kadena. All right, guys, let's get some more suggestions here. Get some other coins. Let's go. See what else you guys got. I thought I got Matic the other. Yeah, I did. I already got Matic. I don't mind getting into other coins too, but you guys could also suggest the same coin I've already gotten into. Maybe you're pretty bullish on it, I guess, but if you need candles, Coinbase not be the best way. I don't think it shows you what pairing they hold themselves. Yeah, well, the thing is too is I don't want to use another site and get a coin. I'm trying to keep it mostly on here if I can keep it on here. So I like to do some of the coins that are on here. So you know, um, here, here's Doge. I know, everybody's kind of big on Doge, and it looks like they're hitting a resistance level. There's one here, there, here, and it's right back at it again right now. So it's been moving pretty sideways, really. I thought somebody mentioned one time Cardano, right? I think I've seen. I want to say. I think maybe Max has mentioned that before. So this one's a little different though, right? Because it looks like there was a support here maybe at one point, and it hit it again here, here, and it's like riding that fine line of that support. But it obviously had something down here, so maybe it might go down more. It's at 33 cents. Algorand. I have some in Algorand already. Sloth Squatch. Ada has good opportunities. What Goat says. Okay. I know you can't get Raven, and I doubt you can get. You might be able to get XMR here. No. So, yeah. Oh, Dash. Oh, I don't have any Dash really. Whoa, it's been up. As you can see, it's been kind of going sideways, and now it's really peaked up there. Holy smokes, 60, almost $68 a token right now, and it looks like it bumped down here, and it's bumping right here. Maybe it's making a new support line right here. It could go way under again, because it was down here for the longest time. Look at all time. Okay. How come? Oh, here we go. The longest range I could go. Oh, I could set a custom range. Oh, okay. Okay. I don't feel like going through that. Well, I might have to go to Coin Market Cap because this is. Yeah, I don't feel like dealing with that. All time. Whoa, look at that. $1,200. Holy smokes. Right. So I see the all time what you're talking about there, but look at this last bull run though. It didn't even make it up that high. It only got to 400. It only did 1/3 of what it did in the previous bull cycle. So I want to say I don't know if it's losing steam or not, because it was this high and then it only got this high, and then it maybe only gets maybe right here to 200 the next time, right? Yes. Yeah, I know that. What is that? DJ Apedo? Click the goddamn moon. What? The moon? Oh, for dark mode? There you go. I like it white. I want it to burn into my retinas. Yeti said he sold all of his Dash back in 2017. Oh man, look at that. He got out really good then. He sold it in 2017. That's when the price was going up. You guys are hilarious. Yeah, it just looks like right here. It just didn't pump that hard. It only got just a little pump, and then I was like, yeah, I'm done. So if you guys want Dash, so look, we'll do Kadena, uh, Uniswap, and Dash, because it's I think you can get Dash in Coinbase, right? Yeah, you can get Dash here. Let's just see. And I could put the Kadena in the Coinbase wallet, so that's not a big deal. Not tradable in my region. Might have to put it in my Coinbase wallet then. That's fine. Oh, Adam, that was another one is Cosmos. I bought some of that a long time ago for the staking. Holy smokes. Wow, look at that. Like straight down. The volume is down 45%. Holy smokes. That is, yeah, that's down. That's way down. I don't know. Can you do would it be Oh, yeah. Oh, they have it if you get it on the Binance Smart Chain. Money King Solana. I grabbed Solana because I needed the dust. I grabbed a little bit. See, I got a couple bucks here of Solana to do parallel asset movements. I got a little Solana, right? I got a little AVAX, you know what I mean? Got a little Algorand and, stuff like that, and Tron. to move around the parallel assets. So when you do fusion, you need to have the native coin of the cross chain to be able to move it, to fuse it. I don't think Nervos is on Coinbase or any of the other ones. I don't think. I doubt that it'll be on here. Maybe it will be. I don't know. Not supported on Coinbase. Trading volume is down almost 51% on the Nervos network. So yeah, it's gone down. It's moved an entire zero. Look, it was 0.0048 here. Now it's down. Yeah, it's moved an additional. Or no. 2 zeros. For the month? For the month, it's been up 20%. For the day, it's down 3. Week, it's down 11. For the year, it's down 58%. It was up to a penny. Yeah. Prime. Take a look at Prime. This new one here, is this what you're talking about, Yeti? Prime? It's up 10%. There you go. What's it's been doing for the week, though? Oh my God, it's down 64% almost for a week. Wow. 1 year. Oh my God. It's a straight freaking this downward slope all time. Oh, it must have just came out. Oh, it just came out then because it doesn't have any more data. So it came out in February. And yeah. You wanted to lose money? This guy. Oh man, this guy. Oh man. So, all right, guys. So we got Kadena, Cardano, and I think the other one was Uniswap. Does anybody have another coin? I know Yeti's trolling me right now, but so let's Cosmos, Feathercoin. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my God, it's real. It's not supported on Coinbase, but that's not a big deal. Let's do all time. 2013, it went up to $1.45. This time it only went up to 72 cents. This one seems like it's not. It didn't even pump nearly as hard as it did. Look, that's 2013. In the last bull run here, look, it did nothing. There was like a little tiny hump right here. Yeah, nope, no feather coin for me. I think it's a bad one. Cosmos, maybe. Yeah. I did grab some render, but it's not. It's in. I believe that's in my it's in my wallet. I think I have to have it in my Coinbase wallet. Yeah, I got 35.2, but so far I've lost money. And no bueno. All right. Okay. We're gonna start a poll here. These are gonna be the coins. We're gonna do KDA, Uni, we'll do Atom, and we'll do ADA for Cardano. There you go. Let's see. Do you have any learning rewards to do? Yo, I already did all those. I know you're talking about, Kadena. KJ. I already did the learning stuff. I don't know if they've made any new ones since then. I haven't been on since last week. So have not been on. You missed Pigeon. I'm not buying Pigeon. I'll let Retro Mike and Panda get Pigeon and go to the moon. Yeah, the Atom, right? I think over here in what is it, Coinbase? I want to say it's like 6.75% or something like that, right? I want to say it's pretty high, right? Yeah, 6.12. I had some a long time ago. It's probably, look, I got like 11 I got 11 cents left in there. I was losing a shit ton of money in there and I just pulled it all out and I was like, F this. King coin coming soon? No, not anytime soon, man. I don't have time to make a coin right now. In theory, I didn't even really have time to take on this 3D printing activity here. So this has been this is not as it's not as easy as most people seem it is. So it has a good learning curve to it. I hate bed leveling. It's awful. He missed me out. All right. So a lot of the GPU coins you can't get on the main exchange. I'm trying to keep it on Coinbase. A couple that I chose you can put in the Coinbase wallet, so it's still kind of there. But I would prefer that everything stays on this one platform so we can kind of track everything, right? No, yeah, Gigaball trades. The 3D printing is actually very addicting, but the problem is I'm having though is I don't touch the knobs, and after every print, and then I go to reprint something else, it gets messed up. Like one corner will be off, or the middle won't print right, but all the outside edges will print good. So I'm just like, why is it always getting so? I watch other videos and people are like, oh, you shouldn't have to tune it after every print, but I do. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong, and I don't. There's nobody I know that lives around me, so I I need help, but I'm obviously not doing correctly. What about big? What about Bitcoin? A pre-sale. So Geppetto. I got into a coin, so we're gonna get into this about why I don't get into the pre-sold coins. Back when everything was going on, and I was first getting into crypto mining and crypto in general, um, I was watching Voss Coin, and this is kind of right at the point when he was getting really shilly, and this is what made me go away from him. He was looking into a project called Cyber Token. Don't know if anybody remembers that token. It was on the Tron network. He was like, man, this project's really good, this and that. So the thing of it is when when you pre-bought in, you had to either use Bitcoin or Ethereum. And when you bought in, let's say you bought, I'm just going to use this for just an example. Let's say you bought 50 cyber tokens, right? For I don't whatever how much Ethereum it was. When you bought those 50 tokens, okay, I want to say they were at a quarter each, right? If I remember right, but maybe I'm wrong. You would get a fraction of a percent of when other people would buy, right? So the earlier on you got in on that program, the more coins you would have by the time the coin was ready to go to market, right? So I got in pretty early and I got like 250 coins, I think I traded into on that. I traded some Ethereum. And by the time it was going to market, I had like 5,000 coins because of all the people stacking on top of me, right? And as soon as it went to market, website's gone, everything's gone. They took everybody's Ethereum and Bitcoin. So that's exactly when I quit watching Vosk, and that's kind of why I don't do anything I'm doing here, because obviously you see it's not working. All right. This is just me kind of documenting my journey a little bit. I'm trying to learn how to do this, but there's so many projects out there, like new projects that could just like pull the rug and just take your money. And I've had it happen to me. So it was Cyber Token. It was bad. And hey, I don't have anything like really against Boss Coin. I man, I just look personally. I feel like Vosk has lost his roots with the mining community, right? Because that's where he got to start. I started out watching his older videos, and I I just felt there was a some point there's a transition, and I get it. You get more subs, and you have a bigger crew, to record you, and you gotta, you obviously have to pay people and all that kind of stuff. So I understand that you kind of have to roll with the punches a little bit, but I think he got away from mining, which is where his roots were. That's just me though, man. Nothing against Voss, man. He makes really good content, high quality thumbnails and all that stuff. Okay. I'm just gonna look at the poll now. Nobody's in on the Uniswap. That's zero. And so far, it's Kadena is 54%, 29% Adam, and 17% um, Cardano. Okay. I'm gonna let it go for 5 more minutes and then yeah, no, Magic Lucky. I don't think BBT has lost his miner roots. He's just on another level, dude. You're talking megawatts of power. He's doing this like at the biggest of big boy levels. You know what I mean? So he's just way up there right now. He's doing big boy stuff, which is really fun to watch and see, how all this stuff is coming together. Avoid retro Mike, avoid shills, mind pigeon or get wrecked. Oh man. Oh man. And I see a lot of people in chat too, and I'm not have any against anything against other YouTubers and their style and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Everybody, they the channel grows, their interests grow, maybe their interests move around, right? Like I started off on doing a lot of mining stuff, and then I kind of went to servers for a little bit, right? Because obviously I'm really big into servers, I'm really big into making nodes, so that's kind of where my interest went. Even though it is still crypto related, right? Because I'm supporting the Flux network and stuff like that, but interest in people's channels, it does kind of move a little bit. So let's see here. Mass Boost says Container just has too much support while being at a lower price point. Do not think they won't go somewhere. Yeah, I can agree with that. There's a lot of people supporting that. What's going on, Blaine? How you doing, buddy? What's going on, man? What is going on? Cast your vote in, people. It's looking like people are voting Adam. They're voting Cosmos, but it's still Kadena in the end. It's looking like Kadena. Yeah, man. And I still watch these other guys like Boss. I still watch them from time to time if there's something that piques my interest, right? You know what I mean? I'm not gonna lie and say I watch every crypto related YouTuber out there because I would be spending like 14 hours a day watching YouTube channels. I'm sorry, I can't do that. But I religiously watch Chump Change the most though. I watch all of his videos and always send him a troll. Oh, what's going on, boss? What's going on, man? uh all right, all right. I'm gonna end the poll. It's been going for 10 minutes. There's been 32 votes, and there's only 39 people. So that's pretty much everybody. That's pretty much everybody. So let's go ahead and let's end this vote here. All right. The people have spoken. Looks like it is 43% on Kadena, 31% on Cosmos, and 21% on Cardano, and 3% on Uniswap. Oh man, everybody's asking about other projects. Blaine asks, see what do you got, Blaine? Do you have any new node projects you've recently? I looked into a node project for a guy in Discord. His name is Chuck Danger. He told me he could not get his Caspa node working in Linux. And I did show him and help him kind of figure it out. Although I still need to actually physically help him set it up because I set it up at home and I got it to work. So I was looking into Caspa nodes for him. Other than that, though, no, I haven't been looking into a lot of nodes. I've been staying pretty busy with stuff with Terra Hosty. Man, it's taken up a lot of my time lately. Oh, here's a good one. Mr. Retro Mike, did you do one practice node for the fun of it? So I did a practice node. I did a video a while back, and that was on the test net. So I do have enough flux to do a practice node. I need to not be lazy and go set it up. And I need to set one up. I just with the halving, you know what I mean, and the reduction in rewards, it's just like you're not getting that much extra flux. And I mean, 100 megs up and down, it's a lot of bandwidth, man. It's a lot of bandwidth. I mean, I'm not saying I don't have it, right? I got 2 1 gigabit fiber lines coming in. I got it. But it's just like, do I want to commit to that, right? You know what I mean? For not that much more flux. It's tough. I think the rewards are very low for practice. I think it's too low, in my opinion. So let's go get this Kadena. I'm going to have to use SimpleSwap. So let's go ahead and I don't know. So here's the tutorial. We'll try and do a live tutorial with Kadena here on SimpleSwap. Great. Now, I'm not saying this is the best place to swap. I'm not saying it has the best fees. The reason I like it, it's not KYC and it seamlessly works, right? It works perfectly. Never had an issue. No KYC information. Don't have to make an account. I just put it in here and it does its thing. It says create account up there. Don't even need the account, right? So let's go. Oh man, it's gonna make me sign in again. Well, can't let you guys see that now. All right. So let's come back over here. Let's send out some Litecoin. And we're obviously going to need... Oh, actually, I need to give him my address, my Kadena address first. Okay. Show zero sums. Kadena. Receive. Continue. And then... Why is there 3? Okay. We'll just use this one. That one should be fine. Yeah, because it has the K in front of it. What's the public key for? Okay, create exchange. Now all you got to do is come back over here. Go over to your Litecoin. Go to send. Send from here. And then we need to copy that over here. There we go. We're going to do 0.6 Litecoin. We're going to send it. Like, how much does it cost to do very fast? Like, what's the difference here? Look at that. It's like 1 cent difference. Man, I love Litecoin. There you go. Transaction sent. And then we can watch how long this is going to take a while. So yeah, it's the native Kadena network. Come back up here. Show. Yeah, this is the right network. This is it's all good, man. It's all good, UK miners. And if it's not, then I just lost, like $50, but don't worry about it. So Alexandru says, so actually 10 megabytes a second, which is less than regular, that needs. No, Alex. No. Alexandru. No, it needs 100 megs up and down for the Fractus node, and the regular one is 25. It is not less, it is quadruple. It's 4 times as much bandwidth. Oh, chain 1 or 0? Oh, fuck, man. It didn't ask me about that. Hold on. Chain 0 ID. But it didn't give an option. Excuse me. It didn't give you an option though for the chain on here though. Ooh, man. See, I told you I've been sneezing, man. It's been awful. When you clicked receive it, it shows different networks. Hold on. Hold on. Come on. Watch, I probably put the wrong one in. Exchange. Yeah, sure, why not? Additional information? No. All you do, you just put in your Kadena address. There is no. Yeah, hopefully it's the right one. Yeah, there's no choice for chain 0 or 1. I don't see that. Yeah, additional information. Yeah, hopefully it goes through. Let's go back to here. Just click refresh. Still says pending. And then let's go. Yeah, I paid the extra, so it should go pretty quick here. So, yeah. Oh, you mentioned Zelcore? Right. Right, I know, but when I clicked here and then you go to receive, right, there's like what happens? Oh my god, there's like 19 different chain IDs. Oh my god, there's a lot. Does this change? But look, it's still the same. It doesn't the number doesn't move. Uh yeah. It seems I misunderstood it. No. No, because when you pull a benchmark from speed tests, you're gonna have to hit 100 up and 100 down. So 2 chains. Yeah, I think I'm all right, man. I think it's gonna work. I think we're good. Yeah, might have to wait a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna go that long. How long have I been going for? Over an hour. We have more. Jeez, we have more chains than a rapper. Yeah, yeah. Um, I don't know about that. Um, I haven't heard anything. I'm assuming, I don't know, one of us would host Saturday Night Live. What's my favorite reptile coin? I mined some of that frog coin just like as a gimmick, but I don't think it's gonna do anything. So, you guys got any questions? Let me know. I'll hang out for a few more minutes. I'm not gonna make you guys wait here for my simple swap to go through because this can take quite a bit of time. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm probably misspeaking there, Alexandru. All right. Uh, yeah, we got a pair of power mines. Appreciate it though, bud. Should I be concerned that I'm not the only whale? Yeah. What's the best plant coin, cannabis coin? Under 10 minutes? Is that what you said, Rondi, for your simple swap? Oh, there it goes. It's confirming now. And you know what the cool thing is too is usually on SimpleSwap where it says this number right here, it's always been more for me. Usually, yeah. Some chain says I'm gonna try to stream from Ronnie's, but I might have to just call in someone else's channel. But I will know in an hour or so. Okay. All right, Chump. Let me know, man. I'm sure like me or Max can post it or Hawk or whatever. Yeah, exactly. Geekball trade 60% of the time it works all the time. Yeah, I like Simple Swap. I'm not saying they're like the best place like for fees, but I do like the non KYC. I don't have to like make an account here, right? It just swaps it, sends it to me, and my business is done. I like it. I like it. Ronnie says Trump changes is late always. Oh, that's funny. Confirming. Is it moving yet? It's confirming still. Let's go, Kadena. Come on, guys. All right. I'll wait the 10 minutes and see if it changes. Let's see here. Well, here, I'm going to ask this question. Are you mining or are you buying crypto? Who's mining and who's buying right now? Who's buying, who's mining stuff? No, I don't. Come on. Let's go. Refresh. Taking too long. Should have had it already. Yes, Alexandru, that is correct, but that's also a lot more hardware requirements and more bandwidth to be able to run 21 Cumulus nodes compared to one Stratus node. Sure it is. Are you mining or are you buying it? So how about, let's rephrase this. Is the majority of your yielding coming from mining or is the majority of your yield coming from buying? That's how you answer that question. If you're buying more than you're mining, you need to answer, you know, oh well, I guess yeah. That's a weird yes or no question here. I'm going to end that poll. That's yeah. Hold on. That's you're right. I should word that a little differently here. So here you go. Mining or buying, and then I'll do there. Yeah. I see what you're saying. That's not really a yes or no question. I didn't leave the correct options. That is correct. So if you guys are mostly buying, then obviously put buying. If you're mostly mining, that's where your yield's coming from, then obviously. So curious though, how many people, what the percentage is. Me getting tired? No, man, dude. I think it's allergies that are hitting me because it wasn't like this yesterday. So let's see here. Ozzy says all in on Flux mining. There you go, man. I know there's some Flux fans out here. And then obviously Retro Mike, he's mining Pigeon Coin all day, every day. But that could be FUD. Could be FUD people. He could be telling you to go do that while he's reaping the rewards from another project. So, be warned with that, right? Could be a lot of FUD. Real Living Investing says that he's all in on Caspa. I know everybody's kind of into Caspa. I'm really not a Caspa guy. I don't know. They're just like competing with everybody else with the fast transactions. It seems like the same old broken wheel. Like, do something different. I don't know. Just me. Magic Lucky says, Bonnie King says he's mining Flux, but he's really taking all your Meow Coin. I am still solo mining Meow Coin. I left that rig on there and haven't moved it just because I've been lazy. I need to move it off, though. I need to find something else to go work on. There you go, Steven. I like that. Dual mining Flux and Zill, Sia, and Kadena. There you go, man. All right, let's see. Poll's been going. Let's check on the poll here. Whoa. All right, hey, Chump Change. Could you just say like just put 1 in the chat, like if you're listening. I know you could talk to text that, like put 1 in the chat here. We got 32 votes in here. There's 50 people watching. Come on, people, get those votes in. So far, most people are mining right now. It's 85% mining, 15% buying right now. I hope it doesn't change. I want to just put that in my boss's face real quick. The people are still mining. I'll have one last poll before it's over. Okay, it's still confirming. Number of blockchains, only one. Really? Litecoin's usually a lot faster than that. All right. So we got 35 votes in. 36. Okay. 37. Okay. So most people here, I'm just going to end it real quick. Most people said that they were mining. Maybe 18% said that they're buying. Okay. For the people that are mining, you mining at a loss, profitable, or break even. Profitable, loss, break even. Or if it's marginally profitable, or if you're kind of floating in between, that's the break even one. Let's see. Well, no, Max, I wanted to know the majority of what you were doing, Max, not mining and buying. I wanted to know if you're majority mining, then choose mining. If you're buying more, then choose buying. I'm just the guy that works in the back. No financial advice. No financial advice. So let's go back to my assets here. Like, does anybody recommend that we get rid of anything right now? Like, out of curiosity. I got Bone, I got Shiba, Polygon, Render, and Algorand. Okay, it's only been out for a minute. I've only got 26 votes in here. I'm getting a few more votes. I don't know, man. Profitable and losses, they're getting there. Break even is the lowest one on the chart so far. So it looks like Bacon, Eggs, and Hash says to get rid of SHIB. He said to get rid of SHIB and Bone. That's what Mr. Bacon, Eggs, and Hash says. The Feather Coin automatic beats, that thing, I looked at that. That thing's trash. I don't think that's going anywhere. We can put a vote to it on the next one. All right, here we go. We got Mr. DJ Mind says markets are down. Doesn't matter what you buy, keep holding and you'll be fine. Do not forget that saying from DJ, all right? Just like his Tesla advice he gave you. Buy Tesla, do nothing, get rich as F, all right? The DJ motto, man. I want to put it on a shirt or something. Let's see here. How do you usually plan out taking profit? Do you do a DCA percentage each time of a threshold? Is there time horizons you plan for? This is something I kind of need to figure out if I'm going to do the percentage game. I know some people, when they do this, they do buying and stuff like this, like they get like 20 or 25% more than what they put in, right? They take what they made and take it out, and then they reinvest it into something else. Or Yeah, I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. This will be on the stream though, because I still have to figure this out. So I don't know the best strategy. I'm trying to get a few different coins, like maybe 12 coins. You know what I mean? And that way, by the time the bull run hits, I could be trading a lot of coins. Right? That's kind of what I want to do. Buying short and play the downside. I make money on the way up and the way down. How do you make money on the way down? If if it's going down, you're losing money, right? Yeah, yeah. But see, I'm not good at trading. I'm still learning. So still learning. That oh look, it's exchanging right now. All right. Let's go back to my poll. I'm really interested in this poll here. 37 votes. I'm gonna give it to the 5-minute mark. Only 37 votes, people. If you haven't voted, please vote. Are you profitable? Are you mining at a loss? Or are you break even right now? Oh, look at that. It's sending. My coins are on the way. What is shorting the market? I don't know trading terminology here. I'm a noob. I don't know what shorting the market means. Retro Mike, buy pigeon, hold, poor as F. uh, Short is actually the opposite. Is every dollar it goes down, you make a dollar. How are you making money if it's going down though? That makes no sense to me. If it's going down in value, how are you making money? Okay, it said this. It said it went through. Damn you, Zocor. Oh, it went through, boys. There she is. Went through. Got the $50 in Kadena. It's oh wow. Okay, so here's something that DJ says. He says it's different. It says like if you put 1K into it, you could lose 10K. He says avoid. So I'm assuming that shorting the market is very risky. I'm gonna say it's very risky. I'm not. Yep. So here's DJ right here. Crypto's already down 50 to 90%. There's no reason to short anything. Way too risky, he says. I'm betting that it won't go up, huh? Yeah. No, I'm not that kind of trader, man. I'm a slow guy. I'm thinking about like getting this set up, to where maybe things can maybe 5x. I mean, granted, it would be 10x would be epic, right? Something like that, right? In the bull run. I know trading right now is probably pretty hard to do in this kind of a market because everything's down right now. So maybe I need to be thinking about what coins I want to buy right now that are down pretty low that I think will do well when the market comes back, right? Read my comment, King. It could be risky, but you can also short. Read your previous comment. Okay, hold on. His previous comment, Chump Sage says, "You are more or less betting against people that think it's going to go up. Why would I want to bet against them?" Yeah. Uh. So GJ Mine says long, which is you're doing. You can wait years and it's no issue. If you're start shorting or using leverage, you can lose literally an infinite amount of money. Well, that sounds awful. Retro Mike, don't worry, King. If you get liquidated, I'll send you 1 million pigeon. I love it. I love it, man. See, your Chump says, try to give some sense behind it because it's how you make money off other people that are betting it's going to go up and you're betting it's going to go down, to keep it simple. Okay. Huh. Well, this is what DJ just said right after Chump. He says, avoid shorting at all costs. If that's what DJ says, man, I'm sorry, man. He's got a lot more experience than I do. So I'm going to avoid it then. Okay, yeah, here. Let's see what Google says. Here, we'll just Google it. Was it shorting? I mean, I guess we have to do a stock. That would be a really good example, I guess, of what I mean. How does shorting a stock work? Short selling involves borrowing a security whose price you think is going to fall from your brokers and selling it on the open market. Your plan is to buy the same stock back later, hopefully for a lower price than you initially sold it for, and the pocket difference after repaying the initial loan. And that seems awfully risky. Seems very risky. Oh, and here's the veteran miner back. Let's go, veteran. Here's mental mine. Unless you know exactly what you're doing, I wouldn't touch it. Extremely risky. Yeah, and you could lose it all. I could see that. Yeah, I could see that. I am definitely not a short trader. Sloth says you will definitely learn a hard lesson if you guess wrong. Well, I would probably be the one to guess wrong. I'm not gonna lie there. Not gonna lie. I don't have a lot of experience, so here's Becky. Let's make a deal. Door number 1, 2, or 3. Which one has the card? Which one has the donkey card? Yeah, that's a good example. And I'm gonna tell you right now, when it comes to luck like that, like just having solid luck, I don't have that luck. I will not guess. I will definitely get the donkey cart. 100%. um Paradigm Miner says, maybe for you, since you don't have a lot of experience, then quality along setup is good. But in reality, it's the same thing as long as you have a profitable system. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Let's. I thought I started up a Google sheet. Let me see if I did or not. Of there you go. Oh, I gotta add some more coins. Look, this is the name I added it. I named it "Trading with a Dummy." uh, I love it. But yeah, this is like what I started making this little spreadsheet. Like when I bought it, how many coins I got, the value at the time of purchase, when I sold it, gain or loss, weekly investment. Oh, there you go. I like door number 2. Yeah, man. Here, DJ. Yeah, I'll send you a link. I'll send you a link, man. I'll send you one. Let me get you a link really quick here. I'm sure DJ can give a really good explanation and probably like dive into what actually this is. Let me find DJ real quick. Okay. It's just weird how they had this maintenance today. So weird. Look at that. Up to 250 I was up to. Look at that. Down to 213. That is just, I could help you set that up, set that spreadsheet with current prices from. Oh, that would be cool. Hey man, my skill level on spreadsheets is very little. I am not a spreadsheets guy. I'm not Seb in any way, or a Mass Boost or a Deprand. I don't know nothing about spreadsheets. Yeah, I'll admit that. I don't know nothing about that. So yeah, DJ, I sent you a link, bud. That would be really cool though, Mass Boost. Set you up with the current prices from from the Coin Market Cap API. That'd be cool. Definitely, man. Definitely. All right, for the people who chose Kadena, I got a question. Because that was the majority, and that's what we got today was Kadena. Why Kadena? I don't know nothing about it. You know what I mean? I know that there's new ASICs coming, the new K3 is super profitable, but besides that, why'd you choose Kadena? Oh, here we go, guys. We have the Grandmaster coming in here. He's going to give us a good lesson. What's going on, DJ?
Yo, can you hear me?
Oh, here, I better put on my headphones.
Yeah, that might help.
Oh, man.
We're shoveling snow. It's been awful. So I won't take up much of your time. You can hear me?
Yeah.
So there's like 4 categories, right? So what you're doing
Right.
is like long. So long is awesome. It's the best way, especially if you're new. And I still do that to this day. I've been in the market for like 11 years, maybe 12 at this point. I don't know. Kind of old, right?
Okay.
So the cool thing about long is you can buy it. Let's pretend, I don't know, today's March 4th, right? You can
Right.
hold that for 4 years until you're right. So you'll never lose money because you'll just wait until you make the money, right? It either
Right.
goes up or goes down. That's awesome. So you can hold for life. The problem with shorting, yeah, in a sense, it some of the people are right in chat when they're saying like it's the opposite, right? It's really easy. I don't think it's easy. And the reason is you're on a time crunch, right? So it's not just saying like how longs are, oh, I'll just hold it for life. No, you're taking a loan out. That's basically what you're doing because you have to take a different, like a marginal account or margin account, excuse me. So everything you do for the shorts is you're borrowing money against a loan. So you have a specific date and time that you have to pay them back. If you ever go under your threshold, right? So let's say you buy Dash or Shiba or whatever, and
Right.
it starts going down. You can't wait anymore. The bank's gonna say, "Oh, wait a minute, we need our money." But you're like, "Oh shit, I just lost all the money." Well, too late. We don't give a crap, right? We want our money anyway. So give us our money. Plus, now you owe us all this interest money because you were wrong. You see what I'm saying?
Right.
Yeah.
But what if you're shorting with your own money, and that way you don't have to worry about the bank then?
You
So
can't you can't do it. You can't do that.
okay.
Because basically what a short is, not to give you like this difficult explanation, a short is you're buying someone else's stock. That's what a short is, right? So Some people, they'll keep their stock like Tesla or whatever it is. It's the same for crypto,
Uh,
I would imagine. But some people are like, you know what? I'm going to get a little greedy with it. I'm going to try to put this on the market, and you're buying that transaction off someone. So it's not like you own a
oh,
short. Yeah, you're buying other shares from people. And that's why I say it's like a very specific window of time. So
right. Okay.
yeah, so you have long and then you have short, right? Those are like the mild ones. Then you have what's called puts and oh my god, I can't think of the name of the other one. Oh my god. Sorry, I've been shoveling snow. Puts calls. I'm an idiot. Okay. So puts and calls are kind of like long and shorts, but on steroids, right? So
Okay.
again, what you're doing is called long. Extremely risky, but could pay off like insane amounts of money would be called calls. So calls is kind of the same thing in the sense of you're borrowing a specific number, but you're like super specific with it, bro. You're like, okay, today I'm buying Shiba Inu at a penny, and by I don't know, March 18th, it needs to be a quarter. Like, you give the date, the time, you pick exactly what it is. Now, the benefit to that is you can 20, 50, 100 extra money like it's nothing, bro. Like crazy, right? However, if you're wrong, you didn't get the date.
Right.
Yeah, dude. So the problem is, right? And it's like one of the worst things that people could suggest to someone, in my opinion. If you put in $1,000, you don't just lose $1,000, bro. You can lose 10, 20, 30 grand, like, maybe not off 1,000, but you get what I'm saying, right? Like,
Yeah.
the losses never end, bro. Like, if the stock or the crypto were to go down 3 to 5%, you don't lose 3 to 5% of your money. You lose 40, 50, 60% of your money. Yeah, it's crazy. And, yeah, I've had the bank, cancel on me. I was off by, like, 3 days. Yep, and I ended up paying, I think it was maybe 20 grand off of like a
Whoa.
5,000 off a $5,000 play. And it happens like this,
Really?
bro. Yeah. And it happens like this, bro. It feels like a penny stock. Um, it happens really quick. So yes, what you're
Dang,
doing is right.
5,000 and then you had to pay 20 grand.
Yep. If you're wrong.
Dude.
Now that's for calls and puts. But now on the opposite of that, right? I've also put in 5 grand and made 20 grand. You see what I'm saying? But
Right.
so risky, bro. Not worth it. It's not, it's super sketch, super dangerous. And you gotta know what you're doing. That's all I wanted to say.
All right. Hey, thank you,
Thanks,
DJ.
Mikey. Don't
Thank
do it.
you.
It's a scam. Love you, buddy.
Love you, man. Later,
Bye,
DJ.
buddy.
Oh man, dude, that's okay. That was crazy. I appreciate DJ's explanation and some more education in the stock and crypto field. And I mean, crypto itself is already naturally risky already. Besides, you know what I mean? Um, outside of stocks, right, which are regulated and things like that. So, um, yeah, I kind of agree with DJ. Crypto's already risky, so why would you make it even more riskier? I'm not saying you shouldn't, but I mean, yeah, you could make a lot of money, but yeah, you could also lose a lot of money. So I could definitely understand his perspective on that. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the long game here, guys. Yeah, he says, yeah, DJ says the low mid risk equals long and shorts. Extremely risky is calls and puts. So I yeah, I probably won't be doing the calls and puts, man. I'm not willing to lose a whole bunch of money. But sometimes people, I can understand, like if they really think they're going to make a lot of money, maybe they got some information from somebody, maybe they might maybe do something like that. But I don't know. I think I think it's very, very risky. All right, guys, I've been going for man, how long, dude? Fuck, almost 2 hours here. Let me know if you guys got some last minute questions, and then I'm gonna call it here in a few minutes. Oh, I did have another poll. That's right, and poll for the people who are mining right now. 44% of you said that you are profitable. 32% says at a loss, and 22% they are in the break even or floating around in that in between area. What's for dinner, King? I don't think it's a dinner time yet. It's actually time for me. I'm actually gonna go to the gym, so it's not dinner time right now. I'm gonna go to the gym, and then when I get back, it'll be dinner time. So I've been doing my workouts, man. Been eating better and stuff like that. So um, and yeah, this is something that Bacon, Eggs, and Hashes said. The swings of crypto are way more than the stock market. That is true. So I mean, crypto's already kind of naturally risky itself. So I don't I I don't see like why you'd want to make it more risky. I mean, maybe if you have an X amount of dollars that you're okay losing with, you know what I mean, and maybe you're very experienced at it, I could see it maybe working out. But yeah. Retro Mike, dude, the pigeon coin fund, man. Look at this guy with pigeon. Maybe got inside information on pigeon. This guy. Oh, this guy. Yeah, man. Yeah, exactly. We got Fluxitron here. Welcome, man. I don't know if I've seen you here before, but welcome to the channel. Yeah, thousands of wannabe traders lose their shirts. You won't be the first, and surely you won't be the last. Yeah, man, definitely. I'm kind of putting just little bits of money in, $50 a week. I'm not doing anything crazy here. Gonna be long-term holding, maybe selling some stuff in the bull run, you know what I mean? And then who knows? I want to see, like, out of all this money I invested between now and the peak of the bull run, how much the value changes, right? You know what I mean? So, to see how much I've invested versus how much I've actually made on everything, and see if it was actually worth buying into any of this. So you'll get yacht money, DJ. Yeah, $50, man. Yeah, $50. $50. I don't know. It's gonna be interesting, right? Who knows? Maybe it'll all just be at a loss, and maybe I won't make anything. Who knows? Maybe I should have bought a bunch of pigeon coin. Who knows, right? All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate it. Hopefully, Coinbase will be up next weekend. Can't believe you're down on a Saturday afternoon, man, in the middle of the day. That's like the worst time to be going down. So, all right, guys. Okay, guys. Be sure to stay tuned for Saturday Night Live. I'm sure we'll post it in the Discord. I know Trump said he's going to be trying to stream it from his channel, but we'll see how everything works out. All right. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.